FLSUN QQ-S 90% pre-assembled Delta 3D Printer Lattice galls platform large printing size φ255X360mm, auto leveling Titan Extruder touchscreen Wi-Fi remote control filament 1.75mm PLA. Item specifics. High-speed 3D printer, with the same quality requirements printing time is half of the i3 model 3D printer. Features: all-metal structure, FLSUN QQ-S 3D printer use high-quality metal material, more stable, get better printing precision. 90% pre-assembly, FLSUN QQ printer is shipped about 90% pre-assembled, you just need take about 20 minutes for final assembly. 3 high printing speed, FLSUN QQ-S 3D printer due to the structure of the 3-axis linkage, compared to other types printer, the print speed increased by 60%. 4 touchscreen support, 3.2-inch TFT touchscreen. 5 Wi-Fi module, add Wi-Fi module, can control by phone, more smart, easy use. 6 power off continue, support power off continue, when the power is off, it is easy to continue when power on. 7 very quiet, when the printer working, the noise is very small. When printing, there is just about 50 dB. 824V15A power supply, 360W power supply with the MOSFET module keep the heated bed heating to 100C for 48 hours. 9 factory test, each printer was test keep printing for 48 hours before it is packed.